What if you could microwave and air fry above your stove without losing a single inch of counter space? Over-the-range microwave air fryer combos are changing kitchens right now. GE Profile's version alone pulled over 103,000 views in days. People are waking up to this fast. But which combo is actually worth your money? We tested them all. Stay with us. The answer might genuinely surprise you. This is the most important kitchen upgrade you have not made yet. Here is the real problem. Most people have a microwave taking up cabinet space and a separate air fryer crowding the counter. That is 2 cords, 2 footprints, and 2 appliances to clean after every meal. Worse, standard microwaves do not crisp food. Standalone air fryers do not reheat leftovers efficiently. You are paying for 2 machines that each do half a job. You are wasting money, space, and time every single day. There is a smarter solution, and it fits right above your stove. The over-the-range microwave air fryer combo solves all of that at once. It mounts above your stove, ventilates your kitchen, microwaves your leftovers, and air fries your meals, all from one unit. No extra cords, no lost counter space, no compromise on performance. At AirFryerGuidance.com, our team has spent hundreds of hours researching exactly which combos deliver real results. Not marketing promises, real crispy food, real speed, and real value. Let us walk you through the top options right now. First up, Air Crisp technology. This system uses 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air that surrounds food from every angle simultaneously. The result is a hot, crispy finish without deep frying. Golden fries, crackly chicken skin, perfectly crisped vegetables, all with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. The 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in a single batch. For families cooking multiple servings at once, this capacity is a genuine game changer that saves real time. Next, TurboBlaze technology. This system spins at 3,600 revolutions per minute, delivering a powerful surge of hot air that cuts cooking time dramatically compared to standard air fryers. Where older models struggled with uneven heating, TurboBlaze circulates air with far greater intensity and precision throughout the entire basket. You get faster preheating, more consistent browning, and crispier texture from edge to edge, not just on the top layer. If you cook frequently or prepare larger batches regularly, TurboBlaze is worth every penny of the upgrade cost without question. Now let us talk about Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system. This is precision cooking at its finest. Temperature control runs from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a range that covers nearly every cooking task imaginable. Dehydrate at low heat, bake at medium, full blast air fry at high, all in one machine. The 5-speed fan delivers evenly cooked food with perfect texture in every situation every time. For home cooks who want professional-level control without a professional-level price tag, this system stands apart from every competitor on the market. Finally, the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven with a massive 26-quart family-sized capacity. This unit combines 7 dedicated air fry modes for fries, chops, shrimp, and more. It ships with a complete accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers included. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and rotisserie cook, all from one appliance. For households feeding 4 to 6 people on a regular basis, this is the most versatile combo available at any price point. Nothing else comes close. At Air Fryer Guidance, we are obsessed with one thing: giving you accurate, unbiased kitchen appliance guidance you can actually trust. Our team digs into real specs, compares real performance data, and cuts through manufacturer marketing claims. We publish top-rated air fryer lists, healthy cooking tips, head-to-head comparisons, and in-depth buying guides built on real testing. Thousands of home cooks rely on our recommendations every single month. We are not sponsored by any single brand. Our only job is helping you find the right appliance for your kitchen, your household size, and your budget. Ready to find your perfect over-the-range microwave air fryer combo? Do not guess. Get the full breakdown right now. Visit airfryerguidance.com for our complete buying guide, our top 3 picks, and our latest head-to-head comparisons. Whether you need air crisp technology, TurboBlaze power, Cosori precision, or the full 14-in-1 experience, the guide is waiting for you at airfryerguidance.com. Hit subscribe for weekly kitchen appliance reviews delivered every week. Drop your questions in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one.